Life is filled with highs and lows, and struggles are part of life. The experience of going through these struggles offers us more value than anything else in life. Struggles, hard times, challenges makes us stronger. They develop our strengths and test our resilience and integrity, push us to overcome challenges. Joe Biden, also known as Joseph Robinette Biden Jr., an American politician who is the 46th and current President of United States. We all know about his success and hard work, but very less among us know his past life struggles. Tragedy struck him before he was sworn in as the 5th youngest senator in US history. His wife and 13-month-old daughter were killed, and his 2 sons were hospitalized when a tractor trailer plowed into their station wagon. While talking to a CNN reporter, he disclosed that he considered suicide as the last option after his first wife and 1-year-old daughter died in a car accident. Biden's elder son, Beau, died of brain cancer in 2015. He began, "I thought about it, not doing it. I thought about what it would be like just to go to Delaware Memorial Bridge and just jump off and end it all." His sons, Hunter and Beau, were seriously injured. He added, "I don't drink at all. I've never had a drink in my life, but I remember taking out a fifth of, I think it was a gin, and put it on the kitchen table. But I couldn't even make myself take a drink. What saved me was really my boys." Biden also opened up on how he coped with the death of Beau, who died from brain cancer in 2015. He began, "Beau just made me promise. He said, 'Dad, I'm going to be okay no matter what happens.'" Biden said this was just before he died. He said, "Dad, you got to promise me you're going to be okay. Dad, give me a word as a Biden dad. You're going to be okay." He was worried I'd walk away from everything I've worked in my whole life, the things I care about. He knew I'd take care of my family. He never wondered about that. But he didn't want me walking away, and I think what it's done, it's given me a purpose. Biden, one of the most powerful men in the world, isn't afraid to show that he's grieving. On January 20th, 2021, Biden was inaugurated as the 46th President of United States. He became the oldest sitting president, the first president from Delaware, and the second Catholic president. The pain of loss can feel overwhelming. Understanding grief and learning how to cope can definitely help you heal. There is always purpose to live. Remember, the best revenge for tough life situations is not to end your life. The best revenge is to grow stronger and be better. Place your hand over your heart. Can you feel it? That is called purpose. This is the reason you're alive, so don't ever give up.
This is a tough time for our country. And on top of our grief and the anxieties we have for our physical and economic well-being, so many of us are feeling isolated. To everyone who is struggling with their mental health, you're not alone. There's no shame in seeking help, and there shouldn't be any barriers standing in your way to get that help. We all need to be taking care of ourselves as well as each other, and we have to do it now. This crisis has exposed the cracks in our already broken mental health care system. So we must do better, especially now, to make sure that no one feels like they have nowhere to turn. Together, and I mean this together, we can ensure mental health parity, expand access to care, and wipe out the stigma of seeking help. That's what I'll fight for as your president. And with your help, we will get it done.
We hope you liked this video. For more video on mental health awareness and learning, visit us at healthyminds.world, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the icon below.